The holiday shopping season is over now. We are in the thick of the rush to return and exchange those gifts.
Consumer reporter John Matarese shows us which stores have the easiest return policies and which have the toughest, so you don't waste your money.
With retailers fighting for every dollar, the good news is that many of them are loosening up their return policies to ensure that you'll come back again soon. The trick to ensuring many happy returns is to always get a gift receipt. It seems obvious, but you may get a seasonal employee who forgets. Have a gift receipt? Then there's no time limit at Kohl's, Nordstrom, Bed Bath & Beyond, or Macy's. Macy's is very return-friendly. Even without a receipt, you have 180 days to make an exchange, which Anisha Hoskins really likes. What store is easiest to return stuff to?
I would say Macy's and Walmart, actually. Walmart's easy, too.
Walmart, surprisingly, scores well for returns on most lists. Sears is trickier. The time limit for returns varies on the item and department. Then comes Target, which year after year tops the list of tough return policies. Sarah Armentrout loves Target but hates returning things there.
I think it sometimes can be a little difficult because you always have to have a receipt.
Actually, at Target, you can return without a receipt, but you get the lowest sale price and can only do 2 non-receipt returns in a year. At Stein Mart, hurry, you've got 60 days or until the end of January. Dillard's is tricky, too. You have 30 days after Christmas. Toys R Us gives you 90 days to return something with a receipt, but just 45 days if it's an electronic item. And Best Buy tops the complicated return policy list. You have just 2 weeks for computers, digital cameras, and camcorders, 30 days for other products, and there's a restocking fee on open electronics, which can be up to 15%. In fairness to Best Buy, many other stores also now have restocking fees on open laptops and other electronics. So if you think it's not really what you want, don't even open the box. That way you don't waste your money. I'm John Matarese.